Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or connect your Paysafecard to your Google Pay. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually launch up your Google Wallet with the same login that you used for your Google Pay. Make sure it's the same one with Google Wallet. You're signed into the same one. Come to the bottom right and click on Add to Wallet. Okay, and then just tap on this plus icon right here. And what we need to do is instead of choosing payment card, you choose a gift card. So that is what it works as. It works as a gift card. So tap here on a gift card and then just search it up. You'll see all of the different gift cards available right here. Or you can search up Paysafecard, okay? And then once you find that, you just come here, enter your card number, and then your PIN, your balance, and then you tap on Add to Wallet. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.